Alrighty, welcome back to another video, guys. Happy Wednesday. Hopefully you guys had a good trading day today. We're just gonna do a quick recap. Nothing long today. It was a pretty simple day. Didn't really have much movement. So yeah, we made. Dude, it was a pretty freaking good day today. We made 10 bands today. Little over 1,000 across 10 accounts. So that was yeah, dude. It's crazy how fast things can change when you really put in the work and just lock in. But yeah, let's just get straight into this. So basically right here, as you notice, this is the opening price of the 930. So if we hop down to the 1 minute, notice we open here at 930 and we pretty much just dump and we kind of just hover around this area here. If you look over on ES here, you'll notice that we come up right here at 933 and trade above these highs here. So we have an SMT, which causes this run lower, which then trades us down all the way into, if you look here on the 1 hour, it trades us all the way down into this mitigation right here, or sorry, breaker, not mitigation. Trades into this breaker here, and then we also have this hourly fair value gap, and then we also have a 4 hour fair value gap as well. And then we also come down here at these opening prices here, and we ES trades below those and has a rejection block, also with an SMT with NQ. So we have all these different confluences. We're also deep into a discount. We have the breaker, this fair value gap tapped into, like the 10 a.m. is about to open, like so many different things that's telling us we went along. So so after we trade lower back into this, and this trade here, I entered up the CISD after seeing this SMT, and I entered right there off the pullback of this green candle, and then I got stopped out in profit because it got mitigated here on this candle. I didn't expect it to get mitigated again, but it did, and it stopped me out. But I was going to target this, but unfortunately I got stopped out. Break even, didn't want to re-enter because we immediately just dumped. And pretty much after that, we had that key level get hit, and then we had this 5 minute fair value gap right here that we did inverse, and we also closed above the previous day equilibrium. ES at this point, when we closed above this, was already above the 930 opening price. So I knew, okay, ES is way above. You know, that is technically a bearish SMT, but the draw is very clear to me, and I knew that that bearish SMT is probably just going to get ran through. So that's what happens. We inverse it. We close up, I believe, 955. So yeah, 956. We open the next candle. We trade into the fair value gap. I click the buy button. I was in the wrong, like, this was the wrong number, so I had to like change it. And then I added again here, and then I added again there. So I was pretty much in my full size at that point. A little more than usual, hence why I made a little bit, a lot. And yeah, I was pretty much just looking over here. There were equal highs on NQ, not on the microchart, even though I executed on the microchart. So we had the equal highs here. I partialed there, moved my stop. I believe like just under a 2 minute gap or 3 minute gap. And then I left the breast to run to this 30-minute fair value gap right there. And obviously I could have got a better exit if I got out at the fair value gap high, but I'm not trying to be greedy. Obviously that would have been an insane exit, but you know, it is what it is. I'll take what I can get. Exit there, exit there. Beautiful trade. Nothing to really complain about. After that, we dumped back off to equilibrium of the range, and then yeah, nothing for the rest of the day. So that was pretty much it. Short video, very simple trade today. Hopefully you guys banked. If you haven't already, join the Discord. It's completely free. I called this out live today in the chat. I do go live to actually take trades. Some days that, you know, I'll expect to have really good price action, but I did call this one out. So make sure to go and join that if you haven't already. I'll leave you guys with that. If you guys have any comments, suggestions, go ahead and leave them down below in the comments. And yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.